यूक्रेन और पश्चिम एशिया में चल रहे संघर्ष हम सभी के लिए गहरी चिंता का विषय है। भारत का यह दृढ़ विश्वास है कि किसी भी समस्या का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता। किसी भी संकट में मासूम लोगों की जान की हानि पूरी मानवता के लिए सबसे बड़ी चुनौती बन गई है। हम शांति और स्थिरता की जल्द से जल्द बहाली के लिए डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी का समर्थन करते हैं।
Rishabh continues to be with us. Diplomacy का हम समर्थन करते हैं, and in fact, this is a very important moment. Like I said, in India's global diplomacy, will India be actually able to play the role of a peacemaker, which it wants to, which it is willing to help resolve the conflict? But like Srinjo was pointing out, it's up to Russia, it's up to Ukraine, and how impactful this is. This visit is going to be, those talks are going to be, and India's resolve that these issues cannot be fixed on a battlefield remains to be seen.
Well, definitely. See, until the cessation of hostilities on the front line from both the sides and both the sides sit on one table to resolve the issues, no one can broker peace. That's for sure. Given that this is a war that has been into its almost 30th month, as we are talking, it began in February 2022. Both the sides need to come on table if any third party has to broker a peace. While Prime Minister is here in Ukraine, you have the Chinese premier visiting Russia as well today, and both India and China do have a considerable amount of influence on Russia, and be it their long-standing ties, be it their ideology, the way both the countries have had each other's back for decades now. There is a possibility that India can play a very major role, but is India openly willing to do so? No, not yet. We haven't heard this from Prime Minister or External Affairs Minister that India can be the host for a peacemaking, brokering peace. India did take part in the Geneva convention, where it was Switzerland convention for that matter, where both the sides were asked to come in. Russia boycotted it, saying that this is a waste of time. Now Ukraine was part of that peace conference, but now there is another one proposed in November. What India can very importantly do is to convince both the sides that at least come on the table, see for yourself what can be done, and understand how your war is affecting the world, and stop that as soon as possible. That is something that India can do. That is something that Prime Minister would definitely be talking to Zelensky as well. Prime Minister has spoken on similar lines with Vladimir Putin as well in Moscow. So definitely India, instead of being the peacemaker, would try and bring both the sides on table, stop the cessation, stop the hostilities on the front line, and then leave it to both of them to broker a peace among themselves. That is something that India would like to do.
All right, Rishabh, keep tracking all the developments. For the moment, thank you for getting us the inputs. And we are slipping into a short break. With that, news and updates will continue.